and a very good evening, and many thanks for joining us on Lolwe TV Property Show. The Property Show airs every Saturday from 6:30 p.m. with me, Sharon Ongao. Today, I'm coming from a very beautiful show house. This place is called Elina Residences. Elina Residences is found along Mandera Road in Kileleshwa in Nairobi. Now, this place has a total of 70 units, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments. The 3-bedroom apartments that are all en suite goes for 23 million Kenya shillings with 2,300 square feet, and the 4-bedroom apartments that are penthouses, the duplex penthouses, goes for 55 million Kenya shillings. I'll be taking you through this beautiful show house so that you have a feel of what it entails. Residences is located along Mandera Road in Kileleshwa. The residence has a total of 70 units with 66 3-bedroom all-en-suite apartments with a separate DSQ, as well as 4 units of 4-bedroom apartments that are all duplex. I'll be taking you through this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment show house so that you can have a feel of what comes in these beautiful apartments that are at the center of Kileleshwa. The beautiful thing about this apartment is the space and the natural lighting. All the units come with a beautifully installed gypsum. The dining room area opens up to the open plan kitchen, and by the way, the dining area can accommodate even an 8-seater based on how big your family is. The kitchen also has a separate counter where you can have a quick fix, for example, having a quick breakfast before you dash out. You don't have to take breakfast on the dining space if you choose not to. When it comes to the kitchen space, the developer has made it in a way where you have your own cooker space, fridge space, and also the microwave space best suitable for your arrangement. There's also an amazing Dobby area where you can put your washing and drying machine. Now, let me take you to the private rooms. On my right is the common washroom area that you or your visitors can use. Onto the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are all en suite. space is big and functional with a large window that allows natural light. The bedrooms comes with installed gypsum as well as the wardrobes, which you can use as your storage spaces. After leaving the first bedroom, there's an open space where you can use as a private space to read books. You can use it as a quiet space for fellowship. For instance, you can read your Bible from there. You can also do your homework from there or even chill and drink your drinks from the space. The second bedroom is also all en suite and very functional with ample space. The master bedroom. This, I assure you, you will love. The master bedroom is very spacious and you can arrange it nicely based on your style. It has its own balcony, which is a plus. The master also has its own bathroom, which is completely en suite. If you're looking for a space to call home, Elina Residences is the space for you. 3-bedroom apartments goes for 23 million Kenya shillings. 4-bedroom duplex apartments goes for 55 million Kenya shillings. If you want to purchase any unit from Elina Residences, kindly reach out to the numbers on your screen. The number is 0743 506 111. 0743 506 111. back. If you're joining us, this is the Property Show. Today, I'm coming from this beautiful show house. This is Elina Residences. Elina Residences is located in Kileleshwa along Mandera Road. If you're interested in this 3-bedroom apartment, remember it's a 3 and 4-bedroom apartment. If you're interested in any unit in this place, kindly reach out to the sales team. The numbers are on your screen. And with that marks the end of today's show. I bet you enjoyed every bit of it as I did. Until next week, same time, same place, do have a lovely evening. My name is Sharon Ongao. Goodbye.